Hello there, beautiful people. Stephanie here. In today's video, I want to give my honest review of what I think of the 1K a day fast track. Now, if you've been following me at all, you know the reason why I'm probably going to review this is because it's a part of this whole system I do here with the 12-minute affiliate. And if you've been following me at all, you know that my goal for everyone here is to sell 100 of these so that you can get 3 to 5K passive income per month. That's per month. And the reason why I want to do this review on this 1K a day is because my name is on it and I want to make sure it's legit and it's doing a nice job for everyone. So if you come on over here to the webinar or the sign up list here, it has this very hypey headline, how I earn up to 14 grand per day, just sending a quick email to people who visit my list and with an odd 2-page website. I kind of feel like that's hypey, and I feel like that's kind of giving the wrong impression, but I do think he has earned this money. So I just want to caution you to come into this with an open mind that he has been building up his business for years. And it's supposed to be newbie friendly, so beginner friendly. And you just have to go into the mindset of you can build up to this, but don't think you're going to get this coming out of the hatch. So just want to put that disclaimer out there right away. I'm not a fan of these big hypey, super common numbers here. It's just not my thing. So one thing I do like is he has all of these web classes. Now, one thing I have learned from ClickBank is that webinars and web classes always convert better. So he's really on the right track with converting traffic and getting people a lot of information and answering all those questions and getting people into the system, right? So web classes do a great job. They're always happening and they've got the timer and everything. You can sign up for the free training now, and then it goes on over to this next page. So you can select your time zone and register now. Now, what I want to show you is the affiliate information. So if you want to promote this, this is the information that they give you over here on ClickBank. So I'll just show you real quick. If you go to ClickBank, you can promote this product without having to purchase it. So it's not an MLM type thing, because I know that there's a lot of things right now being promoted that are MLM-y and you're, on different tiers. That's not what this is. So you can see very, very clearly on ClickBank, which is the whole library of affiliate products where you can go and just find something to promote. And if someone clicks on your link, you get a commission. So I found this here. Obviously I did a search. It's super easy. And you hit promote and a new window will pop up. And this is where you create your link, right? So you can do your account nickname there. You probably know how to do that, so I'm just going to skip to it. But I do believe that the 12-minute affiliate system is promoting this product because they have proven themselves worthy of being promoted. So this is what it looks like here. If you need that affiliate information, this is where I got this link from here, and then it pops up here. So let's talk about how this whole thing works. So it's using polls, and I think this is a fantastic way to build your email list. I do also want to say real quick before we get too deep into the video, make sure you're focusing on one thing. If you're brand new, I do want to caution you that, everyone's saying, oh, multiple streams of income. Yes, you do want to do that. Multiple streams of income are a tool of the rich. Multiple streams of income is not a tool to get rich. When you're first starting out, you need to focus on one thing and not get shiny object syndrome. If you've already started a product or a program or whatever you're doing, focus on it 100%. And don't get distracted with the noise. But if you're already where you need to be in order to start branching out and getting multiple baskets with multiple eggs, then yes, you can branch out then. It is a tool of the rich. It is not a tool to get rich. So don't get distracted with multiple streams if you're not quite ready. So they're using polls to get people's interest. And that's the 2-page thing that he was talking about on his squeeze page there was, it's primarily Facebook. I know that I've seen these on Google as well. And it'll say something, bear with me, I'm not very creative, but it'll be like, what kind of Harry Potter character are you? Or what kind of Disney princess are you? Or what kind of potato are you? So you'll go through this whole thing, right? And it's a poll, And it's kind of putting you into a funnel of what you're expressing interest in. If you're not interested in Harry Potter or what kind of potato you are, then, it's going to make sure that you're the right fit for whatever the poll is. And that's how they get your email address, is if you want to see the results of this whole poll, this whole quiz, then you need to put in your email address and then it'll send you the results. So it's very popular. It's converting very nicely. A lot of people are doing it, and it's doing a good job for people to build their email list, because if you know anything about online marketing, you know that building your list is one of the most important things that you can do, because the money is in the follow-up. 99% of people don't buy the first time. They buy when they're ready. And that might be the 10th time or the 20th time they see your product. So that's why you have to build your email list. And this particular vendor does provide email swipes. So you will be adding that to your email list and following up. I'm not really sure if they say exactly when you're supposed to send those out. Like I said, I have not invested in this particular product. I'm just giving my 2 cents about what I'm seeing. So about the product, like I was saying, the strategies teach you about it's building a massive email list using simple poll pages. So throughout the training program, students are walked step by step through creating their own polls using their proven templates. So this is a template system, and you basically are finding headlines for things that you want to sell over here on ClickBank. If you're looking through and you're like, oh yeah, I really want to sell, so maybe let's say you're interested in, let's go to the marketplace up here. Maybe you want to sell something, let's say it's making me sign in. Maybe you want to sell something in health and fitness, okay? And you look at this and you're like, okay, this product is doing a really great job. It's #1 in popularity, and it has a nice rebill. You look at the rebill and everything. And so you're like, I want to promote this product. I love the Godzilla of offers research, so I'm going to promote this product. Then you would find headlines within this person's affiliate information, because they're going to have email swipes, most of them do, and they're going to have the headlines of those emails. So what you're going to do is use the headlines to create a template in the polls. So for #1 is that you find out what people are already buying in ClickBank. So like I showed you over on ClickBank, you're kind of just going to search around. I'll kind of share with you real quick a crash course on ClickBank and how to find something. And #2, how they're selling the product. So are they using webinars? Are they using polls? How are they getting people in? And step 3, write down the headlines that are working. So you will see what is converting and what is not by the information that they give you. And then you're going to turn that headline into a simple, curious question. What kind of potato are you? What kind of Harry Potter character are you? And you're going to use that poll building template. This is the important piece right here. Use the poll building template, and you're going to create a funnel for people to come in and take that poll. They're going to put in their email address, and they're already expressing an interest in what kind of potato am I after all, and then you'll simply follow up with the new subscriber, the product that they've already expressed interest in, because they really want to know what kind of potato am I after all. And something I really respect about this guy is that he does have a 90-day success guarantee. There is a 30-day money-back guarantee, which I think is entirely too short for you to get your money back. However, there is a 90-day success guarantee, and what that means is you will say, hey, if you haven't sold anything, give me your information, your stats, and he will hop on a call and give you a coaching session on how to fix it and start making some sales. I thought this was phenomenal. Someone's time is the most valuable asset. If it actually is this owner here, hopping on the call, then I think, wow, tremendous. That's super respectable. I didn't look up his name, guys. I'm sorry. But I do know that I've seen a lot of things with him, kind of like the John Crestani, lots of cash being thrown around, to kind of get your attention, right? They want to grab your attention. But, for me personally, I like to be down to earth and realistic, like 14 grand a day. Yeah, he's probably making that, but you're not going to, and you won't for years unless you do something crazy with building your email list, getting a ton of traffic and funneling it and getting it right the first time with some coaching. So you probably can get that with some personal one-on-one coaching with either him, the creator of the program, or someone else who has created a very high ticket, high commission affiliate empire, and they know what they're doing and they can coach you. So let's go up to the top here, and we've already seen how it works, about the product, and it's doing these polls and then the facts down here as well. So how do I have to register to become an affiliate? So you can become an affiliate for free just by going to ClickBank and finding his offer, paste here. Oh, there we go. Finding the offer just right here. It's free to join ClickBank. It's free to come in here and do this. But if you are serious about becoming an online affiliate creator of passive income, you're going to have to invest in other things. You're going to have an email autoresponder, which costs $15 per month. And I do actually have a link down in the description if you have not done this yet. You can get 30 days free with Aweber, which is the email responder I use, and it's also the email responder that 12-Minute Affiliate uses with their system, because everything that they have in this system is all step-by-step. Everything's already set up for you, and you literally don't have to do anything after you set it up, and you just send it traffic. You do have to get traffic to your link, otherwise no one will see you. This is not a baseball field. If you build it, they will not come. The internet does not care. You have to send traffic to your link. So if you're kind of, on earth with this whole thing and you're willing to invest in your business, then yes, you can eventually build it up to this per day. And you know what? He probably spends thousands of dollars on traffic per day too, if I want to be honest with you and realistic. So those are just some things to kind of keep you grounded, keep your head out of the clouds about this. It's going to take a lot of time to build your email list. He probably has tens of thousands of people on his email list, and that takes a long time to build up. Also, you have to build a quality email list. So you have to take out the people that haven't opened up an email in a long time or haven't clicked through in a long time. Because yes, as your email list grows, your autoresponder company, whoever you choose, whether it's Aweber or someone else, they're going to charge you more for how big your list is. And it needs to be good people. It can't just be, mickeymouse@gmail.com. That's not a real email. It might be an email. I don't know. But you know what I'm saying? There's a lot of trash emails out there that people are kind of like, what happens if I click on this? And, so you just don't want to waste your time. So you have to clean out your list. You have to understand that building that list is going to take time. And this is not a realistic. I just don't really care for these kinds of things. But if you like the poll idea, and if you're willing to maybe put up an ad on Facebook creating those polls, because those aren't free. The ads on Facebook are going to cost money, and the autoresponder is going to cost money. The actual program itself is going to cost money. So you'll have to invest in all these various things to get these things up and running. If you're willing to let it build up over time, yes, this is a viable option. Polls are incredibly popular. People cannot resist them. Everyone wants to know what kind of potato they are. So, that's the bottom line. So let's check out ClickBank. Let me give you a quick crash course on how to choose a proper ClickBank product, and also why I choose to use the 12-Minute Affiliate so I don't have to bother with any of this stuff, because mine is already done for me. I already have all of my top offers for my niche created for me, and these are the best ones. And you can also choose different niches in the 12-Minute Affiliate, whatever niche that you're in, or maybe you're already promoting something. Maybe you already have a business you care about. You can do that with the 12-Minute Affiliate. But real quick, let me come back over here to the ClickBank to tell you how to find a product. So as you can see over here on the 12-Minute Affiliate, they're really on the right track. They've got these 3 niches at the top. Okay, these are the 3 best niches that are called evergreen. People are always going to be interested in these 3 categories. It's personal development, relationships, how to be a better communicator, all this kind of thing. That is always going to be something that people care about, regardless of the economy, regardless of whatever's happening in the world. People always care about becoming a better person. And number 2, people always care about their health. weight loss products. It's huge. It will never go away. It doesn't matter what's happening. They're always going to be there. And people are always concerned about how to make money for themselves. Maybe you've been laid off. Maybe you're tired of worrying about if your hours are going to be cut back. People always want to know, how can I work from home? How can I work in my free time? I've got kids at home and I've got to do this and I only can have, they want to know how to do it. So my niche obviously is helping people make money online. I don't want to waste your time. I'm going to guide you right in to the things I have found to work, and I'll help you avoid the things that I messed up on so you don't have to make the same mistakes. So those 3 niches are what you're going to look for on ClickBank. So when you're coming over here to ClickBank, it's super easy. Let me just kind of sign out here or go to the homepage. And I'll show you what it looks like when you first sign in. And I'll share with you how to get all this set up real quick, okay? So you're going to create an account. It's absolutely free. And then after you log in, this part right here is an important part, your account nickname. You do want to take note of this and write it down or just commit it to memory. It's important, okay? So after that, I am going to share with you real quick how to get set up properly so that you get your checks or your money automatically deposited to your account. So you want to come over here to account settings and click on that. And then this is your profile information. You do fill out everything that's above, your address, all that stuff, but what we're going to focus on here is the payment information. So you're going to click this little button over here, the edit button, and then you're going to change your payment threshold to $10 because the default is $100. Maybe you want to get paid sooner than later. And then also the payment method is by default check. I prefer to get deposited straight into my bank account. So yes, this is actually my real bank account information right here. And then I also choose to get paid weekly. So because I'm kind of impatient and I want my money now, so I thought maybe you would appreciate how to set this up properly. And then back over to the dashboard, I'm going to share with you how to find all these products. You're going to go up here to this little tiny icon that says Marketplace. You're going to click on that. And then over here to the left, you'll see the categories. Like I said, we want wealth building, we want health and fitness, and we want personal development. So you can see that those particular categories are here. Self-help, we've got, parenting and families. I think I would consider that to be health, mental health. And then health and fitness is huge. And then e-business right here. And probably business and investing. These are the categories that you will start to look in. And I personally would recommend trying to promote something you're already interested in or something you're already trying to promote, because you can kind of tie in the 2 of them together and have them work together as a team, especially if you use the 12-minute affiliate, because all your little funnels that you have over here on the system, you can put in your own product on a couple of these different funnels. So I'm going to share with you real quick what that looks like. So my home niche funnels. Over here, you see all the funnels are already built. You don't have to pay. You can make endless funnels, by the way. You don't have to pay ClickFunnels $100 per month. It is $9.95 to start off this whole thing. And then after 2 weeks, it does go up to $47 per month, but it includes all of your emails for each niche, whichever one you want to choose, all of your funnels. The entire system works, on autopilot, and you can even start driving traffic to your specific funnel that you want to start promoting, and it's all done in a nice, neat system. It is super user-friendly. Go down the list. You can see some of my other videos where I've walked by hand, step by step, how to get this whole thing set up, and you can start promoting that. And that's why I love this, because they do change the products, and that's where you can see that we are now promoting the 1K a day fast track. They have been vetted by the people over at 12-minute affiliate, and I do believe in their ethics and their ability to choose products that are working correctly, because the 12-minute affiliate was #1 on ClickBank for helping people and not getting returns. People were happy with it, and I think you can be happy with it too.